Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now I'm going to solve question number 1 of weekly contest 471. Sum of elements with frequency divisible by k. Right? So let's read the problem statement. You are given an integer array nums and an integer k. We have to return an integer denoting the sum of all the elements in nums whose frequency is divisible by k, or 0 if there are no such elements, right? An element is included in the sum exactly as many times as it appears in the array if its total frequency is divisible by k, right? The frequency of an element x is the number of times it occurs in the array. So very easy problem statement. Let's understand this with an example here. So here, see this nums array. So 1 is appearing how many times? 1 is appearing just one time. 2 is appearing how many times? 2 is appearing two times. 3 is appearing how many times? Four times, right? And 4 is appearing just one time, right? So here 1 is appearing just one time and 1 is divisible by this k? No. 4 is appearing one time and 1 is divisible by k? No. But this 2 is appearing two times and 2 is divisible by k, right? So yes, here 3 is appearing 4 times, so 4 is divisible by k. Yes, true, right? So here, see, this one is having odd frequency, this 4 is having odd frequency, and these two are having even frequency, right? So here, an element is included in the sum exactly as many times as it appears in the array if its total frequency is divisible by k. So total frequency is divisible by k for these 2 and 3, right? So now again, if I iterate over all the elements one by one, so 1 is a pairing one time and this is not divisible by 2, right? 2 is a pairing two times and is divisible by 2, right? So here this 2, right? Then plus this 2, then 3 I will check. 3 frequencies 4 is divisible by 2, right? So here plus 3, again plus 3, again plus 3, and again this plus 3, right? And 4 is appearing just one time, 1 is not divisible, okay, so we don't need to include it in sum. So what is the total value of this? 2 plus 2 is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 is the output. That's it. Very easy, right? Here, example number 2. So all are appearing just one time, k is equal to 2. There are no elements that appear an even number of times, so the total sum is 0. Clear? Here 4 is appearing 3 times, 1 is appearing one time, 2 is appearing one time, 3 is appearing one time. So only 4 is appearing 3 times, which is completely divisible by 3 by our k, right? Right? So here this is complete, this frequency for 4 frequency is 3, it's completely divisible by k, right? So we have to add this in number sum, 4 plus 4 plus 4, and these are not completely divisible by k, the frequency of these elements, right? So our output is going to be 4 plus 4 plus 4, that is nothing but 12, right? Clear? Right. Okay, now if you see the constant size, so constant size is very small, right? Nums to dot length is from 1 to 100 only, and nums of I value is also from 1 to 100 only, and k is also from 1 to 100 only. So how we are going to solve this problem? So it's very easy, right? I'm going to, so I can use hash map, right? I can use hash map to store the frequency of all the elements, or I can simply create one frequency array as well. Very simple, right? And the size of this frequency array, I can give 101, right? 101, because only 100 elements are there, 1 to 100. So I can give 101 here, right? So first I will calculate the frequency, then I will just iterate over all the elements, and I will check if the frequency of that particular element is completely divisible by k. If it is true, then add that into sum, right? So now you guys can try to solve it by yourself. I am moving to the code part. Okay, so let's see the code now. So see here, I'm creating one frequency array 101, and then I'm just calculating the frequency of all the elements one by one. That sum is equal to 0. Then I'm again iterating it over all the elements in my nums array one by one, and I'm checking if frequency of that particular number, if I do the mod with k, if it comes out equal to 0, then I'm going to add that particular number in my sum, and in the end I'm just returning sum. That's it. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear with question number 1 of weekly contest 471. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.